Welcome everybody. Welcome to another live with me and Daniel, Wealth Warriors. Thank you guys for tuning in. Anyways, I think it's allergies, but let's rock and roll this, guys. You're here to learn, right? And we're here to teach. So, Daniel, say hello.
Hey, hello everybody. So sorry, I popped out the screen too fast. Okay, so let's get started. Today we want to show you 5 steps. This is exactly 5 steps you need to do regardless what program you are promoting, whether you are promoting our program, other products, or if you are promoting your own program, right? If you are building your own online business, do these 5 steps. So Nate, you start first.
So, guys, who is this for? This is for your busy 9-to-5ers that want to 2x their full-time income in the next 90 days or fire their bosses like I did 2 years ago. So, it's also for anyone that wants to make life-changing income online without having to create their own products. Anyone that wants to bank serious money online but has little to known website skills or sales experience, and aspiring marketers who want to make consistent 10 to 20K a month online, right? So, we're here to help pretty much. We're here to help you level up your business, whether you're a beginner or an advanced marketer.
What are the steps for you to make your first $10,000 month, okay? Or some of you going for your first $50,000 month or $100,000 month, right? You're doing exactly these 5 steps. Just how efficient that you are doing it. Like at the beginning of this training, I asked you guys, what's your main challenge? We have people say closing deals. Kristen say technical, staying committed to the process, conversions. Thomas say lack of time besides my agency business and family, time, technical skills, closing sales skills, right? These are usually the main challenges for beginners. So pay attention to these 5 steps. So number 1 step will be traffic. So how do we get traffic? We learn how to create proper content. After we get the traffic through our content, what's the next step? A lot of you guys talking people on messengers, right? Why do you do that? Because that's the conversations process. Without having a conversation, there is no relationship. Without relationship, it's hard for people to know you, like you, and trust you, eventually buy from you. So it is very important for you guys to master your messenger skills. You got to have conversations with your prospect. So step number 3 will be conversations. After you are warming your prospect up through DMs, having conversations, what's the next step after you have done a proper conversation? The next step will be closing. After you close the deals, what's the final step? Final step is deliver, provide us transformational results to your clients. After they get results, then you take those results, create more content, use case study videos, right? Drive more traffic, get more sales, okay? Rinse and repeat. So these are 5 steps that you need to go through. No matter what program you are selling, what product you are promoting, you start from traffic, content, conversations, closing, then provide transformation, rinse and repeat. This 5-step process. So for those of you, okay, you can definitely do this at home, like when we first got started. Went through all the trials and errors, right, to figure this out. But for some of you, if you want to move fast, like our student, the only way for you to scale fast and save time and money is by working with elite coaches who have been there and done that with proven results. I want to break down if you want to do this at home, right? Like how me and Nate first got started from complete scratch. Here are 5 main challenges that you're gonna encounter, okay? Here are main obstacles between where you are at right now to making 10K to 20K per month in the high ticket affiliate marketing space. Okay, what are these 5 main obstacles? Number 1, no following. Like when me and Nate first got started, we had 0 followers. No followings. When you have no followings, how can you quickly build that following so you can have your loyal fans who gonna follow your advice and buy what you recommend, right? Number 2 challenge will be no technical skills. We all understand if you want to build your online business, you need to get your website set up correctly. You need to learn how to build your funnel. You need to learn how to set up your email system so you can use emails to follow up your prospect. Number 3 will be the key, okay? No sales skills. No sales skills. You got to know how to close deals, or you got to have a partner who knows how to close deals. Like I say, if there is no sales, you have no business. Every business needs to generate revenue in order to survive and provide more impact. Number 4 will be no results. If you have no results, how on earth I can buy from you? How on earth should I believe in you if you don't even have your own results, right? Last but not least, which is the key of the key, is no credibility. Let's say if you are promoting the same product as other 100 affiliates who are more experienced than you, who have more results, how can you compete with other marketers who are promoting the same product as yours when you have no credibility? Now, I want to let Nate tell you how we help our students when they are complete beginners. How can they move through these phases as quickly as possible?
So guys, you want to do this right now for the first time and let EIE do 95% of the heavy lifting for you? Yeah, this is the thing about EIE. We'll do 95% of the work for you if you really want this to done, because we all know you got a busy schedule. So let's take care of a lot of it for you, right? Guys, we do 9% of the heavy lifting for you. This is not only includes a done for you package. This is done for you funnel, done for you email, done for you automation, right? Done for you. This is done for you credibility. This is literally gives you guys everything you guys need to start your business up today. You sign in, log in, join us, and you can be up and running by tonight. That's how quickly this 95% done for you system is for you. We also have a card coded system, guys. Guys, that will literally hand you guys a system where you can literally just, it's done for you. Like, here you go, have it done. You guys just have to implement. Put that 5% work in, actually put the work in, right? And implement, right? And our students are getting amazing results with it, right?
Let me quickly summarize that, okay? Remember, we mentioned that how can you compete with other more experienced marketers who are promoting the same thing as yours? With hard-coded system, you will never ever need to compete with anybody, even if you are brand new, okay? So what hard-coded system means is that, let's say I'm a viewer. I click through your affiliate link. I put in my email. With our system, that email gets coded under you, which means 3 months later, I decided to buy this product, but not from you. I click through other affiliates link and make a purchase because my email already coded under you. When I buy the product 3 months later, guess who makes the commission? You make the commission. So as long as people click through your affiliate link, put in their email, that email gets hard coded under you. Nobody can take that away from you. Super powerful. So with hard coded system, even myself and Nate cannot change anything. As long as you get leads coded under you, that's yours. Nobody can take it away. Nate, keep going.
Guys, then we'll also help you make your first or next 4 to 5 figure months within the next 90 days. So, and we also have our own little guarantee on that too, guys, because we'll work with you to 2x your investment period, no matter what, right? So we're going to work with you whether you hit that 90 days. Our goal is to get you to 10K a month in those 90 days. That's what my goal is, because it's absolutely doable, and we've had many students do it.
That's all a quick training. Me and Nate want to jump on this live training with you guys to show you the 5 steps. Okay, take this training, go back to review your daily operation. Take a look at your traffic process. Take a look at your content creation process. Take a look at how many conversations that you generate every single day. Take a look at your sales closing process. And last but not least, do you have any results? Do you have any testimonials that you can showcase to your audience that you do provide transformations to your prospects? So these are 5 steps. Regardless what program, what product that you are selling online, you need to master these 5 steps. For some of you, if you want to have more direct help, if you want to move faster, utilize our resources, okay? Because we have spent close to $100,000, okay? 2.5 years of experience after dominating every single program out there. We have all the resources that me and Nate done it for you already, okay? So if you need more direct help, book a call, okay? Book a call somewhere on this post, or you can click the link on this document to book a call, speak to our team, okay? It's a no pressure call. We don't do hard sale at all, okay? So you need to fill out an application. Then we're gonna see if we can, whether we approve your application or not. If you get approved, we're gonna jump on a quick call, spend 45 minutes, take a look at your business operation, tell you what your next step is, and also we're gonna show you what it will look like if we can help you to get similar results like our student, okay? So book a call today, then we will will see if we can be a good fit or not. Nate, final words from you.
Guys, just want to say thanks for coming in here. Make sure you guys, if you haven't, obviously you're in this Facebook group already, so go get this document. You guys can even print it off for yourselves, just like we've done here. Print it off, have a look at it, maybe even use it, right? Like literally, this is gonna be a 7-figure funnel here, guys. We're literally handing that to you guys. That's our operation of our business. So go get it, man, because we're handing you guys stuff that a lot of gurus out there will hold and hide. So go take it, go get it, grab it from us, and literally implement. That's the biggest thing. You guys have to implement, right? If you guys can do it on your own, you guys literally have the roadmap right there to do it on your own. But if you want our help, reach out. Book a call. Thanks, guys, for chilling in here, hanging out with us and chilling. Money comes and goes, guys. Trust me. Once you make money, it's just money, right? It comes and goes. It's that time with your family. That's power.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. See you guys next week. Take care. Let's go.
Have a great weekend.